I stand for human. Happy Human Rights Day, guys.
I think of equal everything for everybody, regardless of what it is.
Equality?
North Korea and how they're bad at it. Okay. That's pretty much it. I don't know.
I automatically think of equality for everyone to have the same rights as far as, doesn't matter what your race, religion, background, creed, doesn't matter.
I think of you guys, and I think how Americans very often take for granted the rights we have.
미창말라 망시기 밀라 아니 라완지 구고레 디 라완딜라 얘기 아니 도미기 톱단라니라고 생각도 아니 수수수기 최다도 가르치에네 수수 지초에 여기 라완도들라다 망시기 라완도들 아니 얘기 다 갈로라 human rights 라네레 어딜라나 디그레 탱기도 성
Not really, but that's an affection too, right? Yeah. Never had any problems.
도미기 톱단 매베기 나란도 샤라지고 핀다도 간이 테드 테심바 인도연이 가두연이 샘라 샘잡지다 아니 직다 컨디션이다 도미기 톱단지 라투에다 튠투베지 먼저 표현한걸로 쇠투고레 300이 만주기 톤에 가리 갈로래 contribution 라네레.
Well, directly over the years, it was very hard for me because I'm a people of color, but things have changed quite a bit. But we're still having problems today about it, but it is changing slowly.
Again, I guess it just, the phrase human rights makes me realize how much I take for granted, that I have rights that are not even questioned because I'm an American citizen.
As far as me being African American, of course, I'm pretty sure you've seen the news and things of that nature. It's truly impacted us. I have a young teenage son right now, and he's not even sure that if a police stops him, if he should hold his hands up or if he should just hit the ground. So as far as human rights and things of that nature, we're strongly fighting for it, especially equality amongst all religions, all backgrounds, it doesn't matter.
I don't know, just reading about all the bad things that happen across the world kind of makes you want to, I don't know, make a difference somehow. Either by, I don't know, donating money or your time or getting the message out there.
No. That's really, really sad. I think that everyone should get to choose how they want to worship and, you know, what they choose to do.
I just can't imagine what that's like. And I truly admire anyone that stays, you know, in those type of environments. And I truly wish that people will understand and look at other cultures and get a better understanding that it's not your choice to tell people what they want to do. It's up to them to decide what they want to do and let whoever they believe in make their own final destination of what they should do.
No, it's not nice. It's not good for them. But they're fighting the case, right? Yeah. So it's difficult to relate to when you haven't been there, I think, and only read about it.
I think of a friend of mine who is Tibetan, who, when she calls her family in Tibet, very often the line just goes dead, as if somebody's monitoring her call, and they cut the call off. And so those are the kinds of things that I think Americans, we just call our family and friends and we just take it for granted.
I do. I know about that, and I think that's really wrong. And we as a people have to do something about that.
I feel like that should be a universal right for anyone who's human. And it's just sad that some people don't have those rights and that we do. And we're not very proactive in getting rights given to other people like us as Americans.
Oh, stand up for it. Insist. Don't give up.
We are here and we see your struggle and we hear about your struggle and we're not forgetting about you people.
I feel that every day we should wake up and be grateful and be happy and treat everyone in the same way, as long with respect, and understand that it doesn't matter what their background is, that they should be treated equally.
다 단다 잠블링 낭로 간제 테데 테신 버레 단다 벼참 마인 바 자나 코란 낭로다 디나시기 유구르다 속보다 데레 망고지 낭로라 다 도미 톱단 간제 테데 테신 바 데마인 바다 노르트 코리아 레 시리아 레 디나시기 잠블링 망고지 낭로라 간제 테데 딘주 상월라다 간다 ngazu migi keshu chikla dingne da kanda domi topdan de dil kanye college gapche.
For people who have freedoms, I would say be aware of the freedoms you have and be thankful for them. And I would also say to them, look at people who do not have your freedoms and do something.
It would be a lot better if we could all just get along.
I want everybody to remember this is Christmas, and this is the time you give from your heart. So you got to give to everybody, regardless of who you are, color you are, where you from. This is about Christmas, and this is the way we should be all year long.